so happy to be here with you. We are going to be working with Going Green kit. I chose to do the experiment on page 6, which is Keesha's experiment number 1, and this experiment is related to the water cycle. And before we start, I want you to think in the following question. What happens to a bottle sitting out in the sun? Think about it. And we will go back to this question later. For this experiment, we would need only 3 things. We will need a paper plate, water, a crayon, but honestly, it would work better with a marker. And what do you have to do? You have to pour some water on your paper plate. Just some. It doesn't need to be that much. I don't want to spill it, so be careful. Now that you have some water on it, you may want to grab your crayon, or better, a marker, and try to make a circle-ish around the water. It's kind of hard to draw the shape around the water because the water is moving, but I can see some lines out there. Let me try again. I think I have a better idea now. Be conscious that your drawing won't be that smooth, but that would work. So now that we have an idea on how much water is in our plate, we're going to leave it here in a sunny area, and in a couple of hours we will come back and see what happened with this puddle of water that is sitting out under the sun.